Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off Thinkorswim Bell. In this walkthrough, we'll silence the trading bell sound so your workspace stays focused and distraction-free. We'll use the app's built-in settings and make a quick adjustment that mutes the bell without changing anything about your trading setup. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load fully so all menus are available. Once the platform is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the Setup option. Depending on your layout or theme, it may appear as the word Setup or as a small gear icon, but it will always live in that upper right area of the main window. Click Setup to open a short menu. From that menu, choose Application Settings. This opens the Central Preferences panel where most platform behaviors can be customized. If you've never used this area before, don't worry. Everything we need is in one place and easy to change back later if you prefer. Inside Application Settings, select the System section. This tab groups together core behaviors like startup options and sound preferences. We'll focus specifically on the sound controls used during trading activity. Within System, locate the setting labeled Sound on Trading. It may appear as a drop-down or selector near other notification options. This control governs the audible cues you hear when placing, filling, or modifying orders, the bell being one of the most common sounds. Open the drop-down so you can see the available sound choices. From the list, choose None. Selecting None disables the trading sound effects, including the bell, so you won't hear audio cues while executing or receiving updates on orders. This is helpful if you work in a quiet environment, record your screen, or simply prefer visual confirmations instead of sound. To finalize the change, click Apply Settings. Applying ensures the new preference takes effect immediately and remains in place the next time you use the platform. If you skip applying, the change may not stick, so make sure you confirm it here. That's it. You've successfully turned off the Thinkorswim bell by navigating to Setup, opening Application Settings, going to System, selecting None under Sound on Trading, and applying your settings. If you ever want the bell back, return to the same drop-down and pick a sound you like. Thanks for following along, and enjoy a quieter, more focused trading experience.